everyone. Today I will share recipe of a traditional dish of Hunza Nagar named chapshoro. The ingredients for the recipe are minced meat of beef or chicken, sliced onion, salt for the taste, black pepper and any other spices of your choice. Let's make the recipe. Put some oil in a cooking pot. Add minced beef and mix it well. Cook on a medium heat. Add salt to taste. I already added salt after minced meat and put it in refrigerator. Let me know where do you watch my recipes. Stir continuously. Meanwhile, chop onions. For the recipe, the quantity of onion and meat needs to be equal. Add spices of your choice. I add crushed red chilies and coriander powder at this time. Now add chopped onion and mix to cook on medium flame. Do not overcook it this time. Mix it well and cook for only 2 to 3 minutes. Now turning off the flame. At this time add black pepper and let the mixture to cool. Now make dough. Add 2 cups of flour, a pinch of salt and mix well and prepare dough. Once it's done, let it for 5 minutes. For every chapshoro, we need 2 equal sizes of round-shaped bread. Add some mixture on one bread. Cover it with another bread like this. Bake it on a preheated oven on a very low flame. You can cover it with a fork. Bake both sides of the bread. Chapshoro is ready to serve and eat. You can slice them in pieces or take it as a whole. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Please subscribe, share and comment.